Hey everyone, this is Kevin coming at you with a quick tip about our mobile app. LOs often tell us one of their biggest challenges is the time it takes to expedite the loan. So many times you're waiting on the borrower to get you the documents you need from the needs list. So I'm going to show you how you can accelerate that by at least 24 hours by utilizing our mobile app. With this tip, you and your team can keep the process rolling. All right, let me show you how that would work. The first thing you need to do is go to your phone and launch your Whiteboard app. Once you've done that, you're going to search for your client's name. Now, in this situation, I'm going to search for John Doe. Once I'm able to find John Doe, I'm going to pull up his record. Now, once I pull up John Doe's record, I'm going to need to edit his mortgage. So I want to get this moving here. So I click on edit, and I'm going to need to scroll down to the document needs list. Now, our document needs list campaign is pre-built with 14 standard things that most folks need in a loan. Now we set the first 5, the common 5 that are needed in every loan to always outstanding. And we have an additional 9 at Whiteboard that you can choose to say whether you need them or not. Like let's say you need some retirement paperwork or God forbid a divorce decree, you can go ahead and select that. For this case, I'm just going to use the first standard 5 and I'm going to hit send on the document needs list. And once I hit send, I'm going to need to hit save. That's the thing you need to understand on Whiteboard is we always need to hit save. Now, once I hit that, that's going to trigger a text. That text is going to go out to John Doe, and the text is going to tell John Doe that we are sending him an email that's going to request documents from him so we can help process that loan and where that email came from. Now, the reason for this is we know that people don't check their emails anymore. It's 2020. Texting is the best form of communication. Then about 2 minutes later, an email is going to go to John Doe. And on that email, there's going to be it's going to say loan status notification update, and there it's going to have a list of things that you needed, and it'll say that it's all outstanding. And then as those documents are received, you simply mark them off in the needs list campaign, and it'll alert John Doe in future days that they no longer need it to send you that. Another tool that's always at your disposal with the Whiteboard mobile app is our ad hoc texting feature. You can always send an ad hoc text to your borrower or co-borrower from the mobile app. I'm going to do that right now with our good friend John Doe, and I'm going to do that utilizing the voice text option. You don't have to, but for ease of use and speed here, I'm going to do that because I'm a really bad slow typer. So I'm going to go click on the button here with the little icon, click on my voice microphone, say, hey, John Doe, I want to let you know we're still working toward getting you into the new home by the holiday. There's still a few outstanding documents we sent via email. Please give me a call if you have any questions. Send that text, and there you go. I'm confident this text tip will ensure you have no downtime with your new borrower and co-borrower. And if you don't already have the Whiteboard mobile app, please go to the Apple Store or Google Play and search Whiteboard CRM. Thank you so much, and good luck.